Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. In today's tutorial, we will be drawing a simple and elegant table lamp. Grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. Start by sketching the base of the lamp. Begin with a simple oval shape at the bottom of your paper. This will form the foundation of our lamp. Form the center of the oval. Draw two slightly curved lines going upward. These lines should be parallel to each other and about an inch apart. This forms the neck of the lamp. At the top of these lines, draw another slightly smaller than the base. This oval will be a part where the bulb is attached. Next, we will draw the lampshade from the top oval. Draw two lines that veer outward slightly. These lines should extend as far out as you want the width of your lampshade to be. Connect the end of these lines with a gentle curve, forming the bottom edge of the lampshade. Now let's add some details. Draw a small circle or oval inside the top oval to represent the light bulb. Add some vertical lines along the neck of the lamp to give it a more realistic look. These can be evenly spaced to mimic a ribbed texture. For the lampshade, you can add some horizontal lines or pattern if you want to give it a fabric look. Be creative. To give your drawing some depth and shading, darken the areas that would naturally be in shadow, such as the underside of the lampshade, the base, and one side of the neck. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn table lamp. Feel free to color it in and add any additional details you like. Thank you for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more creative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell